Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll do this with a decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode, and this mode means that when our decibel meter will reduce the highest volume of our device speakers, then this value will change here on the display. So let's start. Just use one more time. Let's use it one more time by this way. So as we can see, our SONY Xperia device reached 20.8 decibels. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.